In this video, we're going to be talking about how to view Facebook activity log on in iPhone or Android. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open your Facebook application. Now, all you need to do is simply go ahead and click on the bottom right profile icon on your screen, or you could also simply click on the top left triple line menu icon and head into your settings and privacy. And this is where you can simply go ahead and click on settings. Finally, once you're in here, all you need to really do is simply go ahead and look for the Your Activity tab. So let me just head into the settings. And now simply scroll all the way down until you find activity log, click on that, and there you go. This is where you can view it, whether you're on an iPhone or Android. So I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.